All right, now it's time to work inside this widget. Okay, in the last video we installed the required packages. Okay, so let's work inside here. So the first time we're going to work on is this image avatar and the name. Okay, let's display the correct name of the creator of the wallpaper. Okay, so for that we need to go for inside the bottom widget here, because if we go to this wallpaper detail screen, we have bottom content here. In the bottom content here, we have these two buttons, and then we have a creators widget. Okay, so let's get inside the creators widget, and then let's read the correct data now from Firestore. Okay, so to read the correct data, we are going to use a stream builder. Okay, so first of all, once we click on this wall image here, we want to navigate to the profile screen, which we can easily do here. Navigator dot push, and then here we have to say material. Did we not call this anywhere? Okay, let me just call it material page route. We have context, and then here it has to be profile screen. Okay, profile screen. Now here we need to pass the UID, so this is not a constant. Okay, then just like that we navigate to the profile screen. Okay, let's go on ahead and put the commas here, and then just hot reload to save this. Okay, so that's how we're going to navigate to the profile of this user. If we give it a try, once just we click here, it's going to navigate to this profile. Okay, great. Now let's read the data. So to read the data, we're going to, instead of returning this, we have to return a stream builder as a child. Okay, so here let's return a stream builder, and then we're going to take the document snapshot here. Okay, document snapshot, this one. Okay, now here let's we need to get the stream here. Okay, so let's get the stream maybe up here. So final, we're gonna say, yeah, just stream like this, and then it's going to come from firestore.instant.collection, which is going to come from users collection. This we can call constants class dot users collections, like that. So this is where the stream is going to come from, which is going to be this stream to this creator that we are looking at. Okay, now here we're gonna have context, and then snapshot. Okay, now we need to return a widget here. So yeah, here first we need to check if snapshot dot the first thing we're going to check if it has error. Okay, has error. Okay, so yeah, if it has error, what are we going to return here? Let's just say yeah, we can just say error or something is wrong. Else we're going to check if a snapshot has connection, if it is waiting. Okay, yeah, something like that. If it is waiting, instead of this loading, let's show the circular progress avatar. Gonna show, actually let's show the linear progress avatar here. Okay, linear progress avatar, because we want to show it like this. Okay, here we want to show the linear progress avatar, and then next we want to check if the document exists. So let's just write a comment so that the assistants can assist us. Check if the document exists. Okay, so if the document does not exist, we're going to check it like that. It's going to be snapshot. If it doesn't have data, we're gonna say no data. Okay, So, or maybe specifically we can say user data not found. Okay, now if everything else is fine, what do we want to do here? So here let's create a variable of data. So we're going to get data dot snapshot dot data as a string dynamic. Now here we need to initialize the user model. Okay, user model, which is going to come from user model dot user model from map, and then we're going to get that data. Now we also need to check if this data that we have gotten, if this profile that we are viewing is yours. Okay, so we're gonna get bool is, let's call it is owner. Okay, let me just correct that. So this one we're going to check if the current user, okay, like current user ID, if this user model that we've gotten here, the user ID is equals to the creator ID, then we know that this is your data. Okay, that's how we know. Else we're gonna return actually this row that is here. So we can quickly copy, actually it's just this row inside here. Let's cut it and then paste it here. Okay, now we have to close that row, and then the error is gone. We can put the comma here and then the comma here. Okay, so now here, instead of showing this avatar, what we're gonna show is our widget. Okay, that widget is called the user image avatar. Now for the radius here, we're gonna keep the same 22, and then we're gonna get the image URL. This image URL is going to come from user model dot is it profile pic, yeah, that one. And then yeah, that's it, because it's a view only. Also, if we don't, we just need to show it like this. Okay, just to show an image. Okay, if we want, we can also say is view only, set it to true. But even if we don't put, because we did not put any on pressed, okay, it will be okay. Now the name here, of course, it's going to be we are going to check first of all if is the owner. So let's remove the constant keyword. Let's check if is owner. We're going to say you, else, because else we're going to get the user model dot name. Now here the constant is going to ask for a constant keyword, and then we're just going to set it to white like this. Yeah, and then just like this will be the creator widget that we have to show here. Okay, now it's just time to give it a try. If we come to the bottom here, we're already passing the creator ID, so there's nothing more to do here aside from just hot reloading. We can see that already it has read the correct data here. Okay, that's what we want. Now if we go to any of these wallpapers, it's going to say you, because we are the creator of the wallpaper, and then it's going to show our image. If you guys want to try this with another account, just maybe run another emulator or log out and log in with another email. It's going to show that it's going to show the name of the owner of the wallpaper instead of you. Okay, so all of these you're gonna test, you see it better when we run another emulator. But even just like this, we can tell that this widget is done. Okay, all right, now this widget is out of the way. We can close. Okay, actually we don't need to close this. We can close this creator widget. Let's close it. Next, now we want to work on this download and set wallpaper. So for these ones, we need to create a separate class. I think for these we're gonna create a service class here. So let me just minimize this, but I think let's do that in the next video. I want to keep these videos short, so this one was just for the creator widget. Okay, so thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.